Now, do you often feel bored, stuck, and clinging on to toxic ideas of what abundance should be rather than living in abundance? Well, did you know that when our energy isn't flowing the right way, we also feel this way? So when we choose to let go of things, like beliefs and people and situations that are no longer serving us, we're actually getting rid of everything that may be blocking our path to abundance. So in a few moments, I'm going to share with you 4 things that you must let go of if you want to manifest more abundance into your life. So stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So whenever I feel stuck and in a funk, I know it's time to clean my energy. Now, one of my favorite and most effective practices is simply letting go. Letting go is important, not only for personal and spiritual growth, but also essential for the manifestation process as well. So by letting go, we can reset our intentions and then we can reconnect with our purpose so that we can manifest way more abundance into our lives. So here are 4 things that you need to let go of in 2023 so that you can invite more abundance into your life starting today. So number 1 is letting go of things that you can't control. Now, many people think that letting go often means giving up, but it means in reality, accepting what is actually going on around us. So when we're married to a certain outcome or a certain way that it has to happen, we are unable to see other opportunities and ideas. This is why by letting go, you open yourself up to what's available to you and all the amazing gifts that are coming in from the universe. So you want to ask yourself, do I have control over this situation? So if yes, think about how you can turn that energy into action. And if the answer is no, ask yourself, well, how will it feel to let this go? Will this put me at ease? Will it help me to move forward? Or will it help me to protect my energy? Sometimes with the law of attraction, we fall into this false sense of security. We think that because we know how to create outcomes in our life, that we're in control of everything. And that's not the case. So when we can let go of things that are beyond our control and just accept it for what it is and go, okay, well, is this something I need to learn? Is this something I need to do? How am I choosing to respond to this? That's how we let go of that situation. Number 2 is comparing yourself to others. Look, be honest. How much energy are you giving away by focusing on what other people think or what they're doing or obsessing about that perfect Instagram life, which is not real? Remember, energy flows where attention goes. So you want to ask yourself, what did I put my energy towards today the most? Did I put it into building my business or visualizing my ideal life or nurturing the people that I love the most? Or was it looking at my bloody phone? Make a note about this every night before you go to bed and review it at the end of the month to see where you're focusing your attention the most. Social media is a double-edged sword. Now, it is just a platform, but we are in control of what happens within that platform and how we choose to be able to move on the platform itself. So if you're spending a lot of time looking, obsessing, wishing, being, jealous of what other people seemingly have online, which remember, none of that is true, then we're wasting our time there. Now, if you are using it to stay in touch with friends and to give likes and to pay compliments, then that's a whole different story. All right. Okay. So number 3, playing small. Do you ever tell yourself that you're settling for less and that it's okay? Do you make up excuses as to why it's okay that you don't have the thing or the things that you've wanted for years? Or you tell yourself things like, I could have never reached that career or never reached that level of abundance. Now, if you're falling victim to any of these negative habits, try and catch yourself next time it happens, because change starts with awareness. Sometimes we will use our childhood experience, our limiting beliefs if we're aware that we have them, the economy, the government. We have all these different things that we can use as excuses as to why we're not getting what we want. We're settling for less. Don't use that as an excuse. Because what I do know from experience is that whatever is going on around you is irrelevant to the future that you can create for yourself. Okay, number 4 is the blame game. Okay, you need to give up blaming your upbringing, like I just said, or the economy, or the God, or whatever else is going on, the unhealthy relationship. These things are an influence in your life, but they do not affect the outcomes that you have unless you allow them. You are not a victim. You are a powerful creator. So start taking responsibility for your own life. Start fixing your relationship with wealth and abundance, because that is a relationship. If you can treat wealth and abundance like a lover, then you start to be able to create more of that in your life. Starting today, make the choice to give up on everything that no longer serves you and really allow yourself to feel and experience true abundance and prosperity. Now, to help you fix your relationship with money, I've designed a guided meditation that by listening to its soothing voice, you'll not only find yourself instantly relaxed, but also you'll be reprogramming your subconscious mind to detach yourself from what you no longer need and then invite more abundance into your life. So I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can download it for free. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you so much for watching.